Hello, today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to use the green screen effect in Vlog Now. Click on New Project and select the clip you want. Now we only have the main clip on the timeline. Click on Add Stickers and add the green screen video. Select the green screen clip and click on Chroma, which you can find that down on the right. Now you have a color picker on your screen. Drag it to the green part and increase the intensity to 100%. As you can see, the green part is removed and the background is clear. What you need to do now is add a keyframe to the second clip and resize it to make it smaller. Move some frames forward and resize it so it gets where it was before. Again, move some frames forward and move it to the right and make it smaller. Now one more time, get it to the middle and resize it. And for the final step, remove it from the frame by dragging it all the way up to the left. When we play it back, it looks like this. You can trim the main video so that it matches with the green screen clip. With the second video selected, we can adjust the colors to it and make it darker. You can do it how you like, and it depends on the video you're trying to create. Now you're done, wait for the project to export, and this is the final result.